Making a personal website. Tips for building a website. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our website, giveagradago.com, for the latest graduate jobs. What is a personal website? A personal website is a web page created by a singular person rather than a company or organisation for the purpose of self-expression or self-promotion. For example, an aspiring copywriter may create a website for personal career marketing, with their web page showcasing their writing portfolio to prospective employers. Now, let's take a look at how to create your own personal website. Step 1. Finding inspiration. It's a good idea to start by looking at the websites of people in your industry, identifying what kind of content they share and what style of website design they use. Remember to take notes and screenshots as references for your own website creation. Whilst finding your own unique voice is important, it's also necessary to see what kind of websites are succeeding. Step 2. Choosing a website builder. A website builder, or content management system, is a tool that enables people to build a website even if they do not have any technical knowledge of programs like HTML or CSS. Whilst all website builders provide pre-made templates, each will offer slightly different tools. Given the plethora of site builder tools available, it can be quite confusing to know which one is right for you. Factors to consider include ease of use, affordability, template choices, and SEO features. Step 3. Deciding on your domain name. Your domain name will be most people's first impression of your website, so make sure to choose something that represents you as a professional. Make sure to use a domain name checker to see if it's available. In the case that it's not, the checker will usually provide excellent alternatives. Once you do have a name, immediately register it. Your website builder or hosting provider will usually help you register your name for free when you pick one of their hosting plans. Step 4. Customising your website. After you have the basics set up, you can start to customise your site. You can do this as creatively as your CMS template allows, but it's important to always remember to ensure your site is mobile friendly, include a navigation menu to ease user experience, place call to action buttons and social links throughout your site to engage site visitors, and streamline your content to avoid cluttering your site. Step 5. Writing a strong About Us page. You need your personal website to effectively summarise who you are and what you do. Your About Us page is the perfect place to do this. Make sure to highlight your professional certifications, major companies you've worked for, and great projects you've worked on, all while still allowing your personality to shine through. Step 6. Showcasing your work. The other pages of your website can be used as your personal portfolio, where you can showcase your previous work to prospective employers or clients. If you're a writer, this could be a collection of articles that you've written. If you're a photographer, this could be a compilation of your commissioned photographs. Step 7. Adding testimonials. If you're using your personal website to showcase your work as a freelancer, an excellent way to earn your future clients' trust is by including testimonials from previous clients. Featuring positive reviews on your site will provide a sense of reliability and professionalism. Step 8. Installing plugins. Don't forget, when creating a website, be it through a website builder or a content management system, there will be options to install additional plugins to your website. Click on the blog link in the video description for a list of plugins that back up your site regularly, create contact forms, and help your site load quicker. Step 9. Improving website SEO. You'll need to ensure your website is search engine optimized to increase the visibility of your site on various search engines. A key part of this is making sure your content is filled with highly searched keywords. You can measure your SEO against key performance indicators like bounce rate and page sessions. Step 10. Sharing your website with your network. Make sure you're placing social sharing and follow buttons on your site pages. Integrating your social media will make it easier to share your site content and boost your page views. Remember to include a link to your website when sharing a post about the site with your social network. Social media marketing is a great way to draw people to your page. Got a personal website but not got a graduate job? Visit Give a Grad a go for the best graduate jobs in the UK. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please leave a like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more career-related content.